Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is coconut shrimp. It's deep fried, fat, juicy jumbo shrimp coated in panko breadcrumbs and freshly grated coconut. So here we go. Begin with our ingredients. We have some nice juicy jumbo shrimp here with the tail still on, coconut, some panko breadcrumbs, some plain flour, an egg, some salt and pepper, some green seasoning. So to start with, we want to prepare the shrimp. We're going to add those to the bowl, followed by our salt and pepper, green seasoning. I'll share the recipe above. And then you just want to give that a mix because that's the base flavor that we're putting onto the shrimp. Next, you want to take your flour and just dust a baking tray with it so that it's flat and you can coat the shrimp in them. Once you've added that to a tray, we just want to add the shrimp to it, lay them flat and make sure they're evenly coated. So just flip them over, dust them around a little bit so that they look like this. So once that's done, just set them aside for a second. We just want to prepare the other coatings. So in a bowl, we need to add the coconut and the panko breadcrumbs. Just give those a mix. Once they're nice and evenly incorporated, that's done. And then we want to just get our egg, drop that into a bowl, give that a whisk. So that's all of the components ready. So now we can assemble these. So we want to start with the wet. So we're going to drop the shrimp with the flour into the egg so they're coated. And then you want to add them to the panko and coconut mix. Because we've added it into the egg allows the coating to stick. Just place it flat on a tray. So just repeat that for the rest until you've done them all like this. And then we want to put them in the freezer for about an hour at least. When we go to fry them, they cook evenly. So these have been in the freezer for an hour. Now they're ready to fry. Just got a pan of oil here, which I'm going to heat up. Make sure it's nice and deep. And then you just want to place the shrimp one at a time so that they don't stick to one another when you place them in the pan. Keep the heat on medium to high, and you want to cook them until they're golden brown. And here we go, that's all of those done. Drain them on some kitchen paper to get rid of any excess oil. They're ready to serve. It's really that simple. So here they are. You can eat them by themselves like this because they've already got quite a lot of seasoning on, or you can put some hot pepper sauce, or I decided to put some sweet chili because that's what I had. And there we are, guys. That's my recipe for coconut shrimp. I hope you like this one. I hope you try it as well. Until the next time, peace and love.